How does the bank manage?
Well, money in our time is managed by banks. They offer various services to help people save and manage their finances.
Tell us more.
Of course, one common service is a savings account. It's like a safe place to keep your money, and the bank even pays you some extra for doing that.
So, we can earn money by just keeping it in the bank.
Yes, but there are different types of accounts like regular, premium, and even ones for kids, like you.
What else do banks do?
Banks offer current accounts too, mostly for businesses and people who need to move money around frequently.
How do we access our money?
That's where bank cards come in. There are ATM-cum-debit cards and credit cards. They make it easy to withdraw cash or make payments without visiting the bank.
Can we grow our money?
Absolutely. With deposit accounts, like fixed deposits and recurring deposits. Fixed deposits give you higher interest rates for saving a lump sum, and recurring deposits let you save a little every month, gradually building a lump sum.
What if we need more money?
Banks also offer loans and overdraft services. You can borrow money for various needs like buying a home, a car, or even personal expenses. Of course, you pay interest on what you borrow.
Is there anything cool about technology and banking?
Yes, there's online banking. You can use your computer or phone to access your bank account anytime, transfer money, pay bills, and check balances.
That sounds convenient.
And don't forget ATMs and CDMs, automated teller machines and cash deposit machines. They are like mini banks that let you withdraw or deposit cash 24/7.
Wait, grandfather, look. What's UPI and international card payments?
Oh, Ashi, that's something interesting. UPI, or Unified Payments Interface, is a way to send money instantly from one bank account to another using your phone. It's super fast.
And what about international card payments?
Kabir, that's like using your bank card to buy things in different countries. It's a card that works worldwide, so you can make payments while traveling or even shop online from international websites.
That's so cool.
Kids, have you heard about modern banking technology? Look, here's something called digital account opening.
What's that?
It means you can open a bank account online without going to the bank. It's super convenient.
Another cool thing is application programming interfaces, or APIs. They allow banks to connect with other financial services, making your banking experience seamless.
What's next?
Video collaboration is a handy technology. It's like having a virtual meeting with a bank representative. You can discuss your banking needs without leaving home.
Wow, that's so convenient.
There's P2P payments, peer-to-peer payments. You can send money directly to friends or family using an app. It's quick and easy.
What about cloud computing, grandfather? I've heard that term before.
Banks use cloud technology for storing and processing data. It's like having a flexible and scalable storage system, making banking operations efficient. These technologies also focus on data and transaction security. Banks use advanced measures to keep your information safe.
That's important.
Grandfather, you mentioned debit and credit cards. What's that? How are those different?
Credit and debit cards are tools for managing money. A debit card is like a magic key to your bank account. When you use it, the money comes directly from your bank account.
So, it's like using the money we already have.
Exactly, Ashi. You can only spend what you have in your account. It's like using your own money.
And how do we use it?
You can use a debit card to buy things at the store, just like when you pay with cash. You can also get cash from ATMs and do other banking stuff.
And remember, you'll need to use a secret code called a PIN to use your debit card.
But what about credit cards?
Credit cards are a bit different. They're like borrowing money from the bank to buy things. You have to pay it back later.
So, can I buy a new phone with a credit card?
Yes, you can, but there's a limit called a credit limit. It depends on how good you've been with money in the past.
If you don't pay back the money you borrowed on time, the bank charges you extra money called interest.
The cost of borrowing money is called interest, and it is often stated as an annual percentage rate, or APR. It may be paid by borrowers for the use of their funds, or earned by lenders in exchange for the use of their capital.
So you might end up paying more for the phone in the end.
That's right, Kabir. Credit cards can be handy, but you need to be responsible with them.
We understood so many things.
That's the key, kids. Make smart choices with your money.
What are the total assets in India?
I know this grandfather told me earlier. From 2013 to 2022 is 2.7 trillion.
Do you know the future of the banking industry?
What is the future? I want to know.
Let me tell you. By 2026, the global online banking industry is estimated to reach $20.5 billion.
Wow, grandfather.
That's too much. It's very interesting to know about these things.
Do you know which industry is the highest?
Yes, I know it's the IT industry.
Yes, you are right, Kabir. IT spending by banking and investment services firms is forecast to grow 6.1% in 2022 to $623 billion worldwide.
That sounds interesting. Can I ask you a question, grandfather?
Sure, Kabir. Go ahead.
Can we get an example of how a credit card works in real life? It sounds so convenient.
Sure. Imagine you want to buy something, let's say a new video game console. Instead of carrying a wad of cash with you, you decide to use your credit card.
But how does the credit card work in this situation?
It's quite simple, really. When you hand over your credit card to the cashier, they swipe it through a card reader or insert it into a chip reader. This action reads the information stored on the card's magnetic stripe or chip.
What kind of information is on the card, grandfather?
Your credit card holds important details like your name, card number, expiration date, and sometimes even a security code. When you make a purchase, this information is sent to your bank for verification.
So, the bank checks if I have enough money to pay for the game console?
Yes, exactly. The bank looks at your credit limit, which is the maximum amount you can spend on your card, and checks if it's enough to cover the cost of the console. If you have enough credit left, the bank approves the transaction. Suppose your gaming console is $20,000 and your credit card limit is $35,000. You can buy it, but if the credit limit is $10,000, you can't buy it.
What if I exceed my credit limit?
If you try to spend more than your credit limit, the bank will usually decline the transaction. It's important to manage your credit wisely to avoid going over your limit.
That makes sense. What happens after the bank approves the purchase?
Once the bank approves the transaction, you'll receive a receipt, and the store owner will give you the game console. You've essentially borrowed money from the bank to make this purchase, and you'll need to pay it back.
When do I have to pay it back?
You'll receive a billing statement at the end of the month, summarizing all your card transactions for that month. You typically have a grace period, around 21-25 days, to pay the bill. If you pay the full amount by the due date, you won't be charged any interest.
What if I can't pay the full amount?
If you can't pay the full amount, you'll be charged interest on the remaining balance. It's important to pay more than the minimum amount due to avoid accumulating too much debt.
Thanks, grandfather. Now I understand how credit cards work in real life.
You're welcome, Kabir. Just remember to use your credit card responsibly, and it can be a convenient tool for managing your finances.